Well, the Rhode Island Department of Health says vaccine dose administration rate, it has increased by 110% in the past 7 days. That's compared to what we saw back in January. State health officials also providing a larger picture about cases, hospitalizations, and deaths since the vaccine rollout started. Alexandra Leslie listened into a virtual meeting of the state's COVID-19 vaccine subcommittee. She joins us now with details.
State health officials say Rhode Island is at the front of the pack when it comes to reducing daily hospital admissions, dropping 71% from January to February. New data provided this morning shows that Rhode Island's ahead of the national average, as well as neighboring Massachusetts and Connecticut. Director Dr. Nicole Alexander-Scott again defended the failing grades Harvard University gave Rhode Island for its initial vaccine rollout.
Timing that was taken for phase one certainly was not anticipated to get the type of grading that was referenced, but was definitely a part of what was needed in order to get the strong outcomes that we have achieved.
On top of that, new data provided by the Department of Health on cases, hospitalizations, and deaths show decreases for health workers, long-term care facility residents, Central Falls residents, and adults 75 and older. All the populations targeted in phase one of the state's vaccine rollout. But Dr. Alexander-Scott says it's not solely due to the state's vaccination campaign.
It is one of the 3 tools that we have really promoted and focused on: testing, treatment, and vaccination.
She noted the complexity of getting the vaccine out to a variety of partners contributed to a slower rollout. Moving ahead in phase 2, Dr. Alexander-Scott says the focus is on speed and simplicity.
With having enough vaccine to really roll out the mass vaccination sites, as you can see, we are well positioned for accelerating that.
On that topic, we also learned today that the next 2 mass vaccination sites will be focused somewhere in northern and southern Rhode Island, and that the state wants to accelerate distribution in high-density zip codes in Pawtucket and Providence. I'm Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.